Another problem है 3 में, rate of flow of water is 60 liter per second through a pipe line of 15 centimeter dia. Throat dia of venturimeter is 8 centimeter. Determine difference in height of mercury column in manometer if C equal to 1. ये बोर्ड में पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है. तो आपका A1 क्या है? इसमें A1 आपका है पाई बाई 4 इंटू D1 स्क्वायर. D1 जो है आपका क्या है? जैसे आपका मेन पाइप का डाया है तो D1 इज मेन पाइप का डाया, A1 हो गया, दैट इज पाई बाई 4 इंटू A1 का दिया 15 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 0.15 मीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज योर A1 हो गया. और A2 और क्या हो जाएगा? A2 इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 4 इंटू D2 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स हो जाएगा पाई बाई 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई आपका D2 इज 8 सेंटीमीटर, दैट इज 0.08 स्क्वायर. दिस इज योर वैल्यू. तो इसको फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं हम लोग. दिस इज पाई बाई 4 इंटू 0.15 स्क्वायर. This is 0.017. And what about it? This is shift pi by 4 multiply by 0.08. This is 5.02. 5.02 10 to the power minus 3. This is 5.02 and 10 to the power minus 3. This is your A1 and A2. And what is your this thing? K equals to A1 A2 root over 2G upon root over A1 square minus A2 square. This is your K. So put the value, let us find out these values. So A1 is equal to 0.017 multiply by 0.005 under root 2 into 9.81 divided by under root A1 square. A1 is equal to 0.017 square minus 0.005 स्क्वायर. इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. तो 2 into 9.81, दिस इज रूट ओवर 19.62 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 0.005 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 0.017. This is coming 3.76 into 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 0.017 square minus 0.005 square. This is 2.64 into the power minus 4. So this is root over 0.000264. This is coming 0.016. So this is your 0.016. This is 3.76 divided by 0.016. This is coming 0.235. This is coming 0.0235. So K is equal to this much. And what about Q? Q is equal to CK root over H. CK root over H. We have to find out H. So Q square upon C square K square equal to H. This will be like this. So H equals to Q square. Q is 60 liter. So 60 into 10 to power minus 3 whole square. This is whole square divided by C is equal to 1 square into K. K is equal to 0.0235 का whole square. Let us solve it. 60.06 square divided by 0.0235 square. This is coming 6.52 meter. This is 6.52 meter. Now in case of mercury, H is equal to X S minus 1. S is equal to 13.6. So this will be your X 13.6 minus 1. This is your X into 12.6. So X equals to H upon 12.6. So this will be your 6.52 divided by 12.6. So this is coming 0.51 meter. This is equivalent to mercury, 5.5 meter of mercury. So in this way we can solve the problem. Thank you for being with me.